to talk about my week 6 assignment. And as usual, I'll just scroll down my code very slowly and we will begin explaining later. Oh, and by the way, I separate the main method with the other method that I defined. And you can see throughout the header that I just include in my code. And here's the main method. And here are the other methods that I defined. Okay, let me show you the results. So this question, this one is long, so I'm just going to scroll very fast. Okay, let's begin with question number 3. So the question asks us to find out whether it's a palindrome number or not. So here I just use the if-else statement to use the method I defined, which is called the palindrome. And I use the scanner to read my input, and I save the input into number 3. And maybe I should show you my method. And so this is for the method, and I use the reverse method that I defined. So it's basically I use the string to switch the integer that I input to string, and then I find the length of it, and I use the for loop to find out each digit of the number, and then I swap it, and so append to the string builder that I defined, which is called digits 2, and I swap it, and so it will begin with a smaller from the smaller to the largest, and then I just use the is palindrome method to find out whether the reverse number is equal to the number that I input, and that means the number is palindrome. And let me show, maybe we should compare it. Okay, so let's begin with question number 19. So it's basically same for the main method here. So I use the scanner to read my inputs, and I have defined 3 variables, side 1, side 2, and side 3 to get the length of the triangle that the user inputs. And I use the if-else statement to find whether my input is valid. If it's valid, then I will use the error method that I defined to find out the error. And here's the method for you. Okay, it's there. So because we know that if two sides length sum is bigger than the third side, that means the triangle is valid. Otherwise, it's not valid. And I just use the equation to find out the error here. And let me show you the question number 23. So it's basically the same thing that I use a scanner to scan the input string and the character that I need to find whether how many it occurred in a string. So and here I just use the try add to switch the string that I input for the character to the char. And let me show you the method I defined. So here I define a variable called count, and then I use the loop here and to compare the character that entered the character in the string to the character that I entered. If they are the same, so the count is +1, and then in this way I could find out how many characters in the string. So I return compare. And I think that's it. And thank you.